You want to learn how to make money by typing and how to start your own business. As a transcriptionist, there are a lot of ways that you can get paid. This video will show you how to make money. There are a lot of people who work in the transcription world. As for the transcription jobs, it's easy. Before I tell you how to start this job, I want to tell you why transcription is a great way to make money. Number 1, it's a real job to make money online. Number 2, you can work from anywhere because all you need is a computer that is connected to the internet to get the job done. Number 3, you can work your own hours. They usually let you work on your own time, but not all of them do that. So you can do it at any time that works for you. Number 4, there are a lot of companies that hire people to do transcription because there is a growing demand for this service every day. As a result, you'll always have to do transcriptions, which means you'll make more money. Number 5, you can make a career in this business by taking courses that the same companies offer after you get into this field. When you have a lot of experience and are well liked by your clients, your earnings go up. Number 6, this is the best job for stay-at-home moms. Yes, because you can do it when your kids are at school or asleep. It's perfect. How to make money typing at GoTranscript. There are a lot of places where you can work as a transcriptionist, but as I said, there are many places where you can work as a GoTranscript. Well, there are 6 good reasons why you should do it for GoTranscript, and I'll give you some points. Number 1, when you work at GoTranscript, you'll be able to work with people from all over the world. It's best if you live outside of the United States and want to make money by typing. GoTranscript is your best bet. You can work for this company no matter where you live in the world. Number 2, when you start your job at this company, you don't need any previous experience as a transcriptionist. This is another reason why you should start your job there. You only need good English skills. Number 3, another reason you should think about GoTranscript is that it doesn't ask you to write at a certain speed as other companies do. This company gives you about 6 hours to transcribe 10-minute audio or video, which is enough time even if you don't type very quickly. Number 4, when you work for a transcription company, you can set your own hours and choose when and how many hours you want to work. GoTranscript isn't an exception. If you have another job or kids at home, this is great. Number 5, you get paid every week. There are a lot of companies that don't pay weekly. Some of them pay biweekly or even worse, monthly. You can get PayU through PayPal or Payoneer. Number 6, a wide range of jobs. Because this way, it's hard to get tired of doing the same thing over and over again. A group transcription today and a research book the next day could be what you do. Number 7, it's a great way to get better at your job because every time an editor reviews your work, they give you a score. If your score is good, you could become an editor and earn more money. What tools do you need to do your job? Number 1, a computer, whether it's a desktop computer or a tablet. Number 2, internet access. Number 3, when listening to the audio, you'll need a good pair of headphones to improve your work. This doesn't mean they have to be very expensive, but make sure they are comfortable and don't hurt your ears after a while. If you want to understand the audio better, you'll also want to have headphones with sound isolation. When you try to type, a lot of your time is spent pausing and restarting audio or video to make sure you understand it well. A foot pedal, on the other hand, may help you do it faster because the foot pedal lets you control the audio playback. How much can you earn by typing for GoTranscript? It's up to you how much you work, but the average is $150 a month. If you work more and treat it more like a job, you could earn up to $1,215. Because the more you work, the more experience you get and the better you get at what you do, which will help you become an editor and make more money. If you have any questions regarding this video, kindly drop a comment and I would reply to it as soon as possible. If you like this video, kindly smash on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell icon for more quality video.